Hi everyone. I thought I would do a different kind of video today. I thought I would show you my home decor for fall. It's November 2nd, and as you can see outside, we have snow already. And so I am wanting to put out my Christmas decor, and I thought for a change this year I would show you my fall and Halloween decor that I have in my house. I don't have a fancy house, I don't have fancy furniture or anything, but I just thought I would share what my decor looks like. So I'm just gonna back up here and I'm gonna kind of give you an overall view of my living room. So this is my living room. It's my front door there. And these are my 4 dogs. We have 4 wiener dogs. And the one in the middle is Maggie, and that's Milo and Bandit, and that is Boomer. And Maggie and Boomer are the mom and dad of Milo and Bandit. And yeah, so just give you kind of an overview of my room, and then I'll do some close-ups. As you can see, I have a tree there in the back. Far corner of my room there. Just trying to zoom out here. Yeah. And yeah. So I'll start here. So on my one coffee table here and table, I've got a gnome and a little pumpkin, and then this truck with some pumpkins in it. Most of my decor is either from Michael's, HomeSense, or maybe a few things from Hobby Lobby, but most of it is Michael's and HomeSense, maybe Dollar Tree. Then at the bottom here I have a little squirrel with a pumpkin. Sorry, that's my dog, you can hear there. And then above the table I have this, I have these 3 signs up here. I got those at a local kind of gift store. And then I've got some pumpkins and a little owl here. Just gonna zoom in a little bit here. Oops. And then I've got this little scarecrow here. I'm not sure where I got that from. And if we go over to my couch, I've got some pillows here. I believe I got these in the States when we were down there. And yeah, I've got these little pillows here with the owls on them. I got those at Dollarama. And then up above it, I've got these 2 pillows here, one with gnomes and then one's with a couple of mice. And I got those at HomeSense this year. Then up above the pillows, I have this shelf, and then I have this gnome, scarecrow, and little fox. Then I've got a sign in the middle that I got at a local dollar store, and then I added some flowers and stuff. And then I've got another scarecrow and some owls and another gnome there. And like I said, I think most of that is from HomeSense. Over here I have this little shelf here. I know I have other little things to put in there, but I couldn't find them. But usually that is full of stuff that's kind of fall decor. Then I have this large stand here. We have our CDs and stuff like that in there. We don't have very many CDs left, but then on top I've got 3 more gnomes here. I'm not sure where I got those from. And then in the back I've got this tree. I got that at Joann's a few years ago. I believe it lights up. Then I've got this fox and these 2 little pumpkins. One is like a Ray Dunn type pumpkin. Then behind the tree I've got this little shelf here that I got years ago in Spokane, as well as that star. I kind of like the primitive look of them. And I've got a house and a scarecrow and a pumpkin there. I'll try to zoom in a little bit so you can see them a little closer. I'm not sure where I got those from. I want to say I got them from the States this fall. Okay, then I'm gonna pan out here, move back, and then I've got, I've got my tree here. This was a pencil tree I bought for Christmas, and I left it out and decorated it for fall. And then, well, I had it up for Christmas, and then I think I put it away for a bit, and then I put it back out for fall. And yeah, I just got a bunch of different flowers in there. Most of them are from Dollar Tree, some are from Michael's, and I've got some sunflowers. I've got some picks in there from Walmart as well. And like I said, Dollar Tree and Michael's. I've got that decorated. I really like that. I've had my fall decorations and Halloween decorations up since the beginning of September. And our Thanksgiving is in October. Sorry, that's the crackling from the fire on the TV. And so now I'm eager to put out Christmas stuff. So then on the bottom, I got these 3 gnomes at different times at HomeSense this year. I'll just zoom in a little bit if I can. Yeah, so I got those from HomeSense, and I thought those would look cute under the tree. Then on the TV, I've just got this sign here. I got that from Michael's at some point. I have this vase here that I bought at a decor store, and I just added a bunch of different florals that I've had in my stash and kind of made an arrangement. Then in the other stand here, I've got some Halloween stuff, and I'll just get closer. So I've got these 2 gnomes, and I got those at HomeSense at different times, and then I found this pumpkin, which I thought was kind of cool. It's kind of hollow and holographic, and I thought it was kind of cool colors. Thought it went well with the 2 gnomes that I got. And then I have this bottle brush tree. I think I got that from Michael's, and then I did this house a couple of years ago. I decorated it for Halloween, and I believe I have a video on my channel of that as well. And yeah, so some close-ups of it. Like I said, it is already snowing here. It started last night on the 1st, and it hasn't stopped. Then I have this sign here. This I got from Michael's a couple of years ago, just on the windowsill. And if we go over here to my other coffee table, I've got this little kind of canister. It's kind of a Ray Dunn. And I've got this ceramic witch gnome, and then I've just got a little stuffed pumpkin there. Then up above it, I've got this little, I've had this little shelf for years, and it's got some little ornaments in there. I've got a couple of pumpkins, and a pumpkin and a ghost and a little gnome, and then a little kind of tombstone. And then up above that, I've got a sign that says boo. And then that kind of pumpkin kind of doll thing, I got that this fall in Spokane. And then next to it, I have another shelf here that has, see if I can zoom in here, some stuff on the bottom there. And then up above it, some more Halloween stuff. And then above that, more Halloween. And then at the top, I've got these 3 little Halloween gnomes. They look really cute. Then if you go over here, I've got this display here. And through the year, I put out different decor. So Christmas, I'll put out different stuff, and then the rest of the year, I have just regular decor out. But I really like these. They're kind of old-fashioned looking. I got these at Michael's at different times. So I've got this pumpkin one, and then a cat, and then another cat. Then these are from Dollarama, the duck there and the kind of ghost nutcracker. And then I've got a Frankenstein nutcracker as well. I hope I'm doing a good job. It's hard to tell through this little viewfinder if I'm getting in close enough, but And then above that, I have this cat. I got that at Michael's. Then in the middle, I've got this star. I've had that for quite a while. I just thought this looked nice with the shelves that I got one time, I think when we went to Spokane. And then I've got this little scarecrow here. I think I got that this year at Hobby Lobby. I've got this little bird and a pumpkin. And this other little bird here. Then above that I have a turkey and a gnome and a sign. And then on this shelf I've got a little string art pumpkin that I got at a craft sale. And then that little turkey in the middle I got this year at it's like a little general store in the States. A little welcome sign, and then in the bottom I've got like a hedgehog and another little fall sign. And then if you go over here towards my front door area, on the floor here I've got these two scarecrows that I got at Home Goods in the States a few years ago. And then this owl, I think I got that at Michael's. And then I've got this old kind of milk can canister, and I just made a floral arrangement in it with some florals from different places and added the little scarecrow that I think I got from Dollar Tree. I thought that turned out really cute. And then up above the that display is another shelf, and on the top there I've got a sign that I got at HomeSense, and I've got another gnome and a little canister that has like a pumpkin patch kind of thing on it. I'll try and zoom in a little closer there. Oops. And then on this shelf here I've got some items from Michael's and I think a local dollar store, and then I've got this stuffed owl, and then another, that corn kind of car is from Michael's as well. And yeah, so that is the living room. And then I will pause the video and I will show you my kitchen. Like I said, my house isn't fancy, but I'm really happy with how it all looks. Hey everyone, so we're back with my kitchen here. So this is my kitchen. Just gonna zoom out here. So this is our kitchen. Like I said, we live in an older house. I don't know, probably 10 or so more years ago, we had hail damage really bad on the outside of our house. So we redid the siding and the roof and decided to put in new windows. A store, it was like all handmade stuff. And this was only $20, which I thought was super cute. It's huge. And I thought it was cute, so I put that on my wall. And then this is our table. And so I've just got like a fall themed runner and tablecloth on there. And then I got this, I think last year at HomeSense. It's like a galvanized kind of truck with the pumpkins. And then here I've got a sign that says Thanksgiving on it. Then if you walk over here, sorry, I've got dishes there. I never use the dishwasher. I've got shelves on either side of my window. So on the bottom I've got this tin canister I got at Michael's. Then I've got a turkey. Then above that I've got this truck that I got at Walmart, I think last year. And then this kind of Halloween decor thing up at the top. Then on the other side I've got another canister in different colors from Michael's. This sign I believe I got from Michael's or Dollarama. This black and white pumpkin that kind of coordinates with the truck on the other side. And then I've got a snow globe up there that's got gnomes in it. I'll see if I can zoom in on that a bit. Yeah. And then on the windowsill there, sorry, I'll zoom out a bit. Sorry, it's going to be shadowy with the lights there. I've got this cute little gnome here that's got some greenery in it. And then these two little witches that have the long legs. And this little scarecrow, I think I got that at Hobby Lobby this year. And then over here, I've just got a few things. I picked up this gnome. I want to say I got that last year at HomeSense. And then this kind of cake stand I got at HomeSense as well at some point. It's like got a gnome and a pumpkin on it. And then I just made it kind of like a tiered tray. The pumpkin, I think, is from Dollar Tree, and I think everything else is from Michael's. And then here I've got a kind of like a canister. It says Hello Fall. And a pumpkin I got at Walmart. And then this sign I got at Dollarama. And then here I have a tiered tray, and I decorate it for all the different seasons, not just fall and Christmas, and I've just got a bunch of stuff on it. That sign in the back with the sequins is from Dollarama. A bunch of filler stuff. I've got this, I think at Home Depot. The bead garland is from Walmart. This owl and the little jar is also from Dollarama. And in the top I've got a stuffed turkey. Another little sign, I'm not sure where that's from. I've got some wooden acorns and some acrylic leaves and a scarecrow, and then in the back I've got a little tin with some sunflowers in it and a stuffed pumpkin. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it for my decor. So I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know if you like this kind of video, and I will do another video of my Christmas decor and my outdoor lights if you're interested. So thanks everyone for watching.